We have developed a sophisticated system centered around a large-scale robot that operates with one-touch activation, promoting overall integration and coordination. Bluetooth networking communication. Core technical advantages. One-to-one signal transmission has a low error rate, enabling individual robots to hit precise timing marks without disrupting the overall plot. The module encapsulation facilitated. On the back of the enclosure, we implemented a honeycomb structure, ensuring even force distribution and allowing us to combine with other enclosures using screws. It features built-in slots for expansion chips and sensors, enabling easy upgrades and additional functionalities without altering the original structure. All our actuators and sensors are reusable, promoting sustainability. Mechatronic system. We utilize a low-power mechatronic system to drive the Air-Beast robot's large machine structure. The reason for employing our independently developed ESP32 mainboard for control lies in the high-power motors.
On our trial experience, we used conventional luminous batteries. This time, we have opted for fully charged 18650 batteries with a voltage of 3.7 V. Connect to a display and switch cardboard of indicating the battery voltage, thereby offering a more intuitive numeric display. Compared to conventional luminous batteries, 18650 batteries are safer, lighter, and more convenient to recharge.
When insufficient voltage is detected, recharging is facilitated through the side Type-C interface. The Air-Beast's body employs aluminum profiles for a lightweight yet robust internal support structure, with slider nuts facilitating both horizontal and vertical connections.
Our villager robot is equipped with a camera on its body and a red heart on the door. When the camera detects the red heart, the robot stops moving. As the door opens and the red heart is no longer visible, the villager robot exits the house, simulating an escape action for the SD component. When villager reaches the first house and shouts the Air-Beast is coming, the door opens, enabling human-robot interaction.
During the movement of the small hill, we have implemented a triple safeguard system. The first measure involves a delay mechanism. However, due to difference between the competition field and our training environment, various unpredictable factors such as friction may affect its effectiveness. Therefore, in addition to delay mechanism, we have installed infrared optical avoidance sensors and collision limit switches on the sides of the small hill. Activation of either sensor immediately halts the small hill to prevent accidental occurrence where it might cross the boundary and incur penalty.